back to the second game of the day from Group D in the Liga Sudamericana. To the screen. Behind his back, shot clock's under 10, but what a pass! And the finish! Huge dunk down the middle. Good batting play from both sides. Now we'll see the three in transition. Good find, good finish. Find the open man, no he doesn't. 3 on 1. Picks it up, gets it back, easy finish. Really a high quality look at the basket in comparison. Look at this. Immediately down the floor, quick action, extra pass and a wide open shot. He turns it over, great anticipation. And showtime here in Venezuela. Finish, Evans. We've seen that a lot, Darnell Evans. He's want to ease up here. Strong drive and finish is good from Jose Martin. It's the transition. Comes a kick, another shot, same spot is good as well. Sendano is putting on a clinic. Guacharos will get the ball over the halfway line. The players will shake hands, thank each other for a fine game and a fine performance, really. It is the final score of 88-34 in favour of Guacharos from Venezuela.